Jason Danard here from the Calgary Stockyards with your weekly cattle market report for this week ending March 27th in another big and strong week of trade to cap off a solid month that started out a little bit shaky. On the direct trade this week, we saw fed cattle fully steady with trade on either side of 540 on the rail delivered, and that is about a $10 increase on the month, which was very much needed for the cattle feeders. Cows carrying on steady as well with trade on either side of 440 on the rail delivered, and that about where we started in the month of March. Feeder cattle market steady and hanging in there at record levels. The only real class that we saw pressure on during the month of March were the heavier steers, but they too trading at record levels. This week on team, we saw about 4,000 feeders trade as follows. We saw the 1,000-pound steers trade from 441 to 453, 9-weight steers 458 to 484, 8-weight steers 482 to 505, heifers 464 to 490, 7-weight steers 530 to 594, heifers 498 to 568. Pretty big variance on the heifers. On the upper end, those were replacement type heifers, I would suggest. 6-weight steers trading from 599 to 640, heifers 551 to 581. And please note that these team feeder cattle prices are picked up at the farm or ranch. It should also be noted that we did see 8 loads of 10 1/4 August delivery grass steers trade this week, and they traded at 466 FOB Indian Head, Saskatchewan. That's about $4,800 a head, which is huge, but that's about $200 off the highs that we saw just over a month ago. Also on team this week, we saw replacement heifers trade from 4,075 to 4,375, and fall delivery, something that's become pretty popular. We're seeing a lot of that on team lately. Fall delivery bred heifers trade from 5,200 to 5,900, and all of the above sold to outstanding demand. Join us again on Thursday this week with the Good Friday holiday. This week, expecting another excellent lineup of feeder cattle, and I would expect more trade on the females. Give your local team agent a call to get your cattle listed for this week's sale. And for further market information, visit us online at teamauctionsales.com, on Facebook at Team Auction Sales, on X at Jason Danard, email jasondanard@hotmail.com, or call or text anytime, 403-519-8916. Have a great week.